Most people get this wrong. They hear that an app offers real money competitions and immediately assume it's either a scam or a guaranteed way to make money. The truth is much more complicated. In this Honest Pool Payday review for 2026, you'll learn what the app actually does, whether it's legitimate, how people earn money through it, and the biggest risks you need to understand before you start playing. Let's answer the main question right away. Is Pool Payday legit? Based on its business model, Pool Payday is a legitimate mobile skill-based gaming app that allows eligible users to compete in pool games and potentially win prizes. However, being legitimate does not mean every player will make money. That's an important distinction many people miss. Here's how it works. Pool Payday is built around competitive gameplay. Players enter matches against opponents with similar skill levels. Depending on the game mode and local regulations, some contests may offer prize opportunities. Your results depend largely on your performance compared to other players. For example, Jake downloads the app because he enjoys pool games. If he consistently performs better than his opponents, he may earn rewards. If he struggles against experienced players, his results may be very different. But here's the problem. Many advertisements for gaming apps focus on winners. They don't always show how much practice, skill, and consistency are required. That's why some users have great experiences, while others become frustrated. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The real question isn't whether Pool Payday is legitimate. The better question is whether it's the right app for you. If you enjoy competitive games and understand that outcomes are never guaranteed, the app may be worth exploring. If you're looking for easy, predictable income, you may be disappointed. This is where most people fail. They treat skill-based gaming as a guaranteed earning method. In reality, every competition has winners and losers. Even strong players experience losing streaks. In a minute, I'll show you the simplest way to evaluate any gaming app before spending time or money on it. Ask yourself 3 questions. First, do I genuinely enjoy the game? Second, do I understand the rules and risks? Third, am I comfortable with outcomes that are not guaranteed? If the answer is yes, you're approaching the app with realistic expectations. Another important point is to review the current rules, eligibility requirements, and withdrawal policies available in your region. Features and availability can vary depending on location and regulatory requirements. So what's the final verdict? Pool Payday appears to be a legitimate, skill-based gaming platform, but it is not a guaranteed money-making system. Success depends on skill, competition, and responsible expectations. You now know the difference between a legitimate app and a guaranteed income opportunity, and that knowledge alone can save you time and frustration. If this honest review helped you, leave a comment with your experience, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more app reviews, comparisons, and money app guides.